Search engine optimization is all about trying to connect with your customers in the moments that matter most to them. As a financial advisor, that means making sure that when somebody looks for a financial advisor near me or a financial advisor in a certain location, that ultimately your website and your business can appear on the first page of search results and drive that search into an inquiry to within your website. Now, there's three ways that you can work on that, right? There's what's called local SEO, which is primarily revolved around something like your Google business profile and helping you to get into like the Google three-pack or the maps. And then there's on-page SEO, which is the keywords that you select, and off-page SEO, which is the other websites that are linking back to you. By working on those three tactics, you're able to get yourself to the first page of search results and ensure that you can connect with your customers in the moments that matter most to them. Now, I'm going to walk you through a sample report, taking a look at the SEO keyword financial advisors within Annapolis, Maryland. But if you want to have a detailed report just like this for your own business, we do offer a free SEO evaluation where if you give us your website URL, you'll get a video back just like this, walking you through your local on-page and off-page SEO strategies and providing recommendations on what you can do to improve your website's SEO performance. With that being said, I'm going to share my computer screen and we're going to look at this example here together. So let's say you're a financial advisor trying to rank within Annapolis, Maryland, and you're looking to make sure that you can get found on the first page of search results. Google's going to provide you two places that you can appear on the first page of search results organically. What I'm highlighting right here is called the Google Business 3-Pack and is primarily controlled by what is called local SEO or your Google business profile. You're then going to see the first 8 slots of a Google search result, and that's controlled by elements of what are called on-page SEO and off-page SEO. I first want to cover on-page SEO since I think it's what most small business owners are familiar with when it comes to search engine optimization. And that's essentially making sure that you're having the right keywords placed within your website. So if we go back to our search result, which is financial advisor in Annapolis, we're ultimately trying to figure out how can we get that SEO keyword within our website. So it's no surprise that a website like 7 Financial Advisors is able to rank so effectively because here you can see that they have a term like financial planning in Annapolis, Maryland, listed in what's called their meta tag title. They have financial planning team in Annapolis listed in their meta description. And that's really necessary, but it's taking that one step further and making sure that financial planning and financial advisors is listed within the content of the website itself. That's what's helping them to get to the first page of a Google search result. If you're curious to know how your website is performing with on-page SEO, one of the best things that you can do is actually to go to your website URL, take a look at, copy that URL, go back to Google and type in site : and then insert the website URL, and you're going to see all the pages that Google has currently indexed for your website. So I think one of the things you'll figure out right away are there certain pages on my website that are optimized, or are there pages on my website that are underperforming because I don't have the right SEO keyword in place. But at the end of the day, the best thing that you can do is make sure that each page of your website has a unique SEO keyword that you're using to help drive traffic to that. And that's ultimately how you can get your website to the first page of search results like 7 Financial Advisors did. Now, the second easiest thing to be able to manage is something called local SEO. And again, that primarily revolves around profiles like your Google business profile. A Google business profile is designed to help drive website inquiries when you're searching from a desktop like I am, and certainly from a mobile phone to drive phone calls to your business. Now, taking a look at Mark's Wealth Management, they're able to rank on the first page of search results because number one, they have a working Google business profile. 2, they actually have a ton of reviews, right? They have 80 reviews and a 5-star. So the more reviews you have, the better the website's going to perform in general and the better the Google business profile is going to perform. But I think ultimately there are other aspects of a Google business profile that you can capitalize on to make sure that you're getting to the top of the Google 3-Pack while you're working on reviews. So one of the things that we always try to tell people is to make sure that you start to kind of look at your Google business profile like a Facebook or an Instagram, meaning the more active that profile is, the better it's going to perform overall. So one of the things that you can do as you build up on Google reviews is to ask questions and answers. As somebody that owns or manages the Google business profile, you have the ability to submit your own questions and respond with answers. So, things that kind of come across like your contact form, like how do you schedule an appointment? What type of financial planning services do you specialize in? Questions that I think you have on the phone with, potential clients. Those are all great questions that you could submit to your business profile, follow up with an answer, and now you're going to be able to help rank within the Google 3-pack. Another thing you can do is to kind of add updates. So I know sometimes people like to blog a little bit within their website. Posting that blog to your Google business profile is going to be something that helps you to get to the first page of search results as well. So I think for us, really making sure that you have everything kind of maximized within your Google business profile is going to help you get into the Google 3-pack when it comes to a financial planner near me or a financial planner in Annapolis, Maryland in this example. Now, the last part of search engine optimization that's really critical and everybody kind of oversteps is what's called off-page SEO, or building backlinks. So your ability to make sure that other websites are linking back to you is kind of like a signal to search engines that your website is very authoritative. There's a few ways that you can develop backlinks to your site, but the most common way is to focus on what are called local citations. So if I look at a term like financial advisors in Annapolis, Maryland, one of the things you'll notice is that it requires about 17 different websites to link back to you in order to get to the first page of search results. If I scroll down, one of the things that I can actually take a look at is look at like somebody like 7 Financial Advisors, who's one of the top search results, and I can actually see all 32 websites that are linking back to them, and that's what's helping them to get to their first page of search. So they have profiles on websites like expertise.com, which is a website where you can list your business's name, address, and telephone number. They also have article submissions from like privatebanking.com and moneycontrol.me, but these are all opportunities that are helping them to get their website to the first page of search results. Now, one of the things that I should have mentioned at the beginning of this call, but I'm going to kind of double back on really quickly, is making sure that you're selecting the right type of keywords. So if you're a financial advisor in Annapolis, Maryland, you want to be descriptive with your website and making sure that that's something that you are able to rank for. What I mean by that is a lot of websites that don't get their site to the first page of search are trying to rank for the term financial advisor by itself, which, as you can tell, is a super hard SEO keyword. Not only would you need to have that SEO keyword listed correctly within your website, you would also need it to be something in your Google business profile and over 1,200 different websites linking back to you for that term. Now, the more descriptive you can be with your SEO keyword, the easier it is to get your website to the first page of search. So if you're a financial advisor in Annapolis, Maryland, what you're going to realize about that SEO keyword is if you're descriptive there, it's actually making it easier to get to the first page of search results. And so if you're a financial advisor in Towson, Maryland, or if you're a financial advisor in Baltimore, Maryland, you want to make that distinction. And again, that's anywhere that you can, update your SEO keywords. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions regarding search engine optimization, we would encourage you to fill out an SEO evaluation report where we'll send a video just like this that walks you through your local on-page and off-page SEO strategies. But thanks again for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your business. Thanks a lot and take care.